Good morning class. How are you? I am Premlata, PGT History. Today we will start 12th class History chapter 6, Bhakti-Sufi traditions. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the Bhakti movements in India that originate in South India. Next one is the Sufi movement. So here we are discussing about the founders of the Islam and Sufi movements, and we are discussing about 4 types of silsilas. We will discuss about the Alwars and Nanars in South India, which were having faith in Vishnu and Shiva. So let me start the topic. 12th class history chapter 6, Bhakti-Sufi traditions. In this chapter we are discussing about the Bhakti movements and Sufi movements. We are discussing about the medieval time period from 8th century to 18th century. Here we are discussing about 1000 years of time period. Which type of religious movement took place during this time? So first of all we are discussing about Bhakti movement. Bhakti movement was started in the southern part of India, mainly in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala. Alwars and Nanars were there. Alwars were in the favor of Vishnu and Nanars were in the favor of Shiva. They were devotion to the Vaishnav religion and the Nanars were devoted to Shivas. So, from the southern part of India, the Bhakti movement originated and it was spread from south to north with the passage of time. The people of this particular region, Chola dynasty, Pala dynasty and Cheras, they were having faith in both the religions, Vaishnav and Shiva. Next one is the Islam. Who was the founder of Islam religion? Now question arises, Prophet Muhammad. After Muhammad Sahab, 4 Khalifas were there. So they were separate the teaching of Islam in different parts of the world. Sufi movement starts during the time period of 8th century and it was separating from 8th to 18th century. Here we are discussing the different types of Sufis movements. Why those religious persons were known as Sufis? Now question arises. Those persons were wearing the wool scarf around the neck. Like the women are wearing the dupattas. They were wearing the safa around the neck. That's why they were known as Sufis. So, the Sufis were divided into 4 groups. The Ch-6 silsilas, Suravardi silsilas, Qadri silsilas and Naqshband silsilas. You have heard the name of some Sufis like that, Moinuddin Chishti, Salim Chishti, and you all are aware about their dargahs also. The Dhai Din Ka Jhofda, the most famous dargah in Jaipur, and the Salim Chishti's dargah in Agra. So during the medieval time periods, the ruler of the Mughal dynasty, they were also following and they also formed some dargahs in the praise of, or they were the followers of the Sufis. So most of the Muslim emperor in our country, some were in the favor of the Chishti silsila, some were in Suravardi, some were in Qadris and Naqshband. In this chapter we will discuss about the teaching of the Islam. So why these movements took place? Now question arises. At that time, we will take the example of India. From the southern part of India, the Bhakti movement was started. Why? Because of at that time, the Hindu religion was the oldest religion in our country. And in this, the most of the people, they have to take participate in yagas, and they have to donate cows like that. So those persons who were poor have not able to do all these ceremonies, and most of the people, they were having faith in lot of god and goddess. That's why these persons in different parts, they want to change the social structures, they want to change the traditional societies and form such kind of religion that can be amountless, and most of the person can be follow these. So in our countries also some sons play the important role. In North India we can say the Ramanand play the important role to spread the Hinduism, the Bhakti movement. Then Guru Nanak Dev and Kabir Das, Raidas, Mirabai, these were the important Bhakti sons of the medieval period. With the help of this video, you will be find out 10 very short questions and note down in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.